In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search keywords for SEO in Ubersuggest for free, a comprehensive guide for 2025. First off, let's get you started by having you navigate to the Ubersuggest website. You can do this by visiting neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign Up, Log In button. Creating a free account is straightforward. You have the option to sign up using your Google account or any valid email address. This free account will give you access to all the essential keyword research tools we'll be discussing today. Once you're logged in, you'll find a search bar prominently displayed. Here's where you begin your keyword exploration. Enter a topic or keyword pertinent to your business or niche. Examples might include terms like digital marketing, healthy snacks, or best laptops. This initial step helps Ubersuggest align the search results with the interests of your target audience. Next, select the country or language for which you want these keywords to be relevant, then hit the search button to proceed. Now let's take a look at the keyword overview that Ubersuggest provides. This overview offers several critical insights. You'll see the search volume, which indicates how often people search for the keyword on a monthly basis. Another key metric is SEO difficulty, abbreviated as SD, showing how challenging it is to rank organically for the keyword. A lower number here means it's easier to rank. Cost per click, or CPC, informs you of the keyword's value in cost per click advertising, while the trend graph illustrates whether interest in the keyword is increasing or declining over time. For those managing new websites, it's advisable to focus on keywords with medium volume and SEO difficulty below 40, as these are likely to be more achievable targets. Ubersuggest simplifies finding keyword ideas with its dedicated Keyword Ideas tab located in the sidebar. By clicking on it, you'll discover 4 incredibly useful tabs. Related provides similar search terms, questions features, prompts ideal for blog titles, prepositions suggest phrases like marketing for beginners, and comparisons may offer key distinctions like SEO versus social media. These options are particularly helpful in identifying long-tail keywords, which tend to be less competitive and more specific. Moving on to refining your list further, the Keyword Ideas page includes filter settings at the top. You'll want to set a maximum SEO difficulty, say around 40, and a minimum search volume, perhaps around 100. These filters help you discover keywords that are both easy to target and valuable for your niche. You can even add or exclude specific words to tailor the results more precisely to your needs. Finally, once you've identified the keywords that best fit your strategy, it's time to save those gems. Beside each keyword, there's a save icon for quick access later. Alternatively, you can copy them to a Google Sheet or Excel file. This practice is beneficial for organizing and implementing your SEO content plan. Aim to build content around 10 to 20 solid keywords each month, effectively expanding your reach and enhancing your online visibility.